Hello, this is Taj at Taj Tires. I've got this weird looking car here. I need you guys to guess and tell me what this is. I know what it is, but you need to tell me what it is. I'm doing the wiper blades on just right here, but I will show it to you. And I need you lot to tell me what car it is. You can see I've covered the logos, so I need you lot to guess for me. And on the back here as well. Now this is a 2006 model, 2006 year model. But you lot need to tell me what it is, because you don't get to see many of these in the UK. That I've done. But I need you guys to guess. Now, that's the logo right here. What do you think this logo means? Now, to do the wiper blades on, that's the part number right there for the driver's side. And that's the part number right here for the passenger side. I will in description, not today and not tomorrow, but once I've uploaded the video, after 10 days of upload, I will then in the description write down what this is exactly. But before that, I need you lot to guess for me what car it is. So I'm going to need a second pair of hands. If you just bear me 1 second. Right here, I don't think I need a second pair of hands. But if you look on the back here, you've got a little clip right there. You need to push in. Once you push that in, at the same time, you pull the wipers out. Make sure this don't drop on the windscreen. If it does, you're in trouble. You've got the new set of wipers right here. So there's only one way they would go. You slot the wipers in and then you pull and you'll hear it click. So that's clicked. I'll let this down. I will remove this in a minute. Oh, I can do that now. Here we go. That's done. Now doing the passenger side, same thing again. All you do, push the little spring in and then drop it down. It's a bit tight. There we go. I got it out. Make sure that stays in one place. I've got a new one right here. Same thing again. There's only one way this would go. So you slot it through and then you pull. That's it, all done. That's all you gotta do on this model. I ain't gonna give it out yet, but I just need you guys to guess for me what this is. Thank you very much. Do please comment below what you think it is, and that's it. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Goodbye.